News 13 inside Las Vegas begins now.
Standoff at a local youth prison, and this isn't the first time the prison has had problems. We'll show you what happened. Plus, a major freeway here in the valley is closed down for the next 3 days. We'll have more on the jailhouse disturbance in a minute. Good evening, I'm Ken Hamilton. Kathy Ray's off tonight. If you have any plans to drive on Las Vegas highways this weekend, we have information you need to know. In just a few minutes, a big section of US 95 won't be drivable. Crews are demolishing the Torrey Pines Bridge and shutting down the highway to do it. News 13's Dave Malkoff is live out there tonight. Dave, what's going on right now?
Well, Ken, it's all happening right now. They are preparing to knock down the Torrey Pines Bridge over I-95 that is right down there. Now, you see these crews here, they are digging in this dirt here. What they're going to do is take the dirt. Think of this as the highway. When this multi-hundred-ton bridge comes crashing down, it's going to come right on the highway. So they put the dirt onto the highway, and then they break apart the bridge in pieces, and it will fall onto the highway without disturbing the roadway and without breaking apart anything that they need to fix later. Now, this is really history in the making, and one man was out here earlier tonight, a man who lives in the neighborhood, trying to document that history. In just about 2 hours, this bridge over US 95 will be history. Crews will cut the Torrey Pines Bridge in half and just let it drop.
As you can see, this line here, that's the line, the ending line, that everything from this point on will go down.
Neighbor Roy Holland wants to capture it all on film.
I'm going to take some back this way.
Roy's lived near Torrey Pines for a long time.
Since 1962. Well, I'm trying to get just kind of like a photographic category of what's going on now, how the different stages of the bridge is being developed. Somebody might say, well, that was a big bridge at one time, and I'd say, yeah, that was, but look, this is what it used to be.
But nothing stays the way it used to be.
This is all desert when I came here. I was in the boonies when I first came here.
What used to be the boonies has been replaced by the fast-paced world of US 95.
I see about 10,000 cars coming down the freeway. Going both ways, almost bumper to bumper. It don't look like to me they're holding 55 either.
To make way, the bridge needs to go, so NDOT can make 95 wide enough to handle the traffic.
Hey,
Bob McKenzie, NDOT PR.
Roy Holland, I live right around the corner here.
Over the years, Roy's seen traffic increase beyond his wildest dreams. Now, it's almost too much for the road.
It's like having a bucket full of water. You keep pouring water in with two little tubes out of it, where's it going to go? It'll come over the top.
And that's what crews are trying to avoid.
Progress is progress. I guess we have to put up with it.
And we'll all have to put up with the detours all weekend long. And here's a live look at those detours. The road closed sign is up at Jones, and that is where you have to get off if you are on the one side of 95. But if you are on the other side of 95, you're going to have to get off at Rainbow, or even before that, if you can find a way to take surface streets around there, that's a good reason to get out of the traffic. It's going to be blocked up all weekend long. This happens at 1 a.m. this morning. This is all part of the I-95 widening project. It's going to take 5 years to do.
And Dave, they are busy behind you right now, and they also have plans to take down other bridges too, right?
Yeah, but that's going to be in the 5-year process. It's going to be the Valley View Bridge and also the Decatur Bridge, where they're not sure exactly when that's going to happen. It's going to happen sometime within that 5-year process.
All right, Dave Malkoff live tonight. Now, this is another look at the area